Oh, okay. All righty. So, and let's go back to our little chart. There we go. All right. And then say, are you there?
I am.
Oh, good. Now, Dex is going to ask you that first question again. Gaat I do nele?
Haiti do nele.
Sorry, which one was that again? I'm so.
Okay, so this one is your mom's clan.
Oh, okay.
And this one's your dad, and then your grandpa on your mom's side, and then your grandparents on your father's side. Okay.
Okay. Hunikachni Dunihanishli.
Uh-huh. And then we reverse it right then and there, and you say, Dex hat ido nele.
Dex Haino Donenine.
Yeah. Sorry, Bilagana do nishia.
Nejon. Now, Dex, you're to next question.
Harispa Shinilchin.
Gijs Passion Chin, sorry. Chin, it's got two eyes. All right. Say blank Pashish Chin.
Sorry, repeat that. You were glitching again.
Your father's Dex Gijs Passion Chin.
Harispa Shinilchin.
So what if my dad isn't Navajo? He's like Caucasian.
Okay. Now say Belladonna.
Sorry, say that again. You glitched out again. I'm so sorry. I have bad connection right now.
Okay, here we go. Let me show you the picture here. Hold on. There is a picture. I know. Say Belladonna right here. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Gone. Pashish Chin.
Okay. Bilagana Bashishtin.
And so that asks your grandpa. Oh, you ask him. Gijs Passionel Chin.
Haish Bashlishtin.
Passionel Chin. Okay.
Bashli.
Chanel. Dex. Blank Pashish Chin.
Todakoji Bashinchin.
Okay. And now Dex, third question.
Haishta Niche.
Sorry.
Let's see what you got on your chart.
So I actually forgot my Chase clan.
Okay. All right. So just say hula. That means I don't know. Hula.
Hola.
Hula, yeah. And let's go back over here. Now, Dex, you're going to, oh, you asked Dex.
Okay.
Haistanche.
Haistatche.
Bilagana Bashishin. Chin.
All right, then that should change.
Dashache.
Oh. Okay, last question next. Danale.
Haishta Ninale.
Bilagana da Shisnanat.
Your turn, last question.
Haistis Nalinal.
Haistanale.
Dalinale.
In the chin Dashanale.
Nee, Johnny. And then you can say some kind of a praise or something. Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, Hannah, you're going to start off, and you and talk to Caitlin. I don't know if Caitlin can answer iPad.
Okay.
Yep, I can hear.
Oh, okay. Hannah, can you ask Yat Caitlin, and she'll say Yat to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that Caitlin.
Yat Hannah.
Hannah, you're the first question. Hat I då Hannah?
Ja, die do ene le.
Hat I då Hannah? No. Caitlin, you're answering.
Bilagana do nisle.
And Johnny. Now you ask the question. You ask the question.
Okay. Te do nisle.
Hilsa cheatney do ni nisle.
It's a cheating. Oh, Red House. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Hannah, your question. Khaish Bashan el Chin.
Hayesh Bashanishchin.
Bashan el Chin. And Caitlin.
Slittle anil bashichin.
Okay.
Haish bashinichin.
Okay.
Tatnazatni Bashishchin.
Tanesane. Gushi. All right. Your question again. Last question. Not last question. Che question. Question about Che.
Hashi da nichi.
Khaish done Che. A. Like Che.
Niche, my bad.
Okay. Caitlin.
Bilagana da shiche. Haish da niche.
Bitatni da shiche.
Johnny, good job. Last question.
Hashi da ninale. Or,
Good. Khaish
yeah.
done Nale.
Ashi da shinali.
Johnny, your question.
Haish da ninali.
Hohana da shanele.
Cool. Good job. Good job. So this is the pattern that most Navajos would try to follow. And anytime you meet a new person. So when you actually find this out, the first one, the mother, and if they're, let's say they're in the same family, like over here. Now let's see if I can figure that out again. What's in here? This one right here. Anyway, let's see. So over here, let's say they said Kia'ane Nishla, Dona Nishla. And let's say you said Khajidina Nishla. These two would be relatives, or any one of these that was said here. These would become your mothers. Okay. And how do you say my mother, or how do you say my sister, my little sister? Because first of all, if you're an older one, if you're older than the other person, then that person will say Shema, because you said Kia'ani, and you said Kanji Dana, and you can call, if she's older, you can call her Shema. Or let's say you want to just choose your siblings, like Kia'ani Nishla. And then she said Kanji Dana Nishla. All of a sudden you become sisters. If you're older, you say Shadeja. If she's older, she'll call you Shade. Okay, that's where you learn kinship term. Usually the kinship term you learn in your home, but because there's clan members way out there somewhere, and you find out you have similar clans for your mother, that's when you can call each other mother. Or let's say you're Kia'an and you're a lady, and maybe someone like Dex says Taji Dene. You can't really say sister or mother in this case because one's male, one's female. In that case, Kia'ani, the lady, might say, oh, Shije, Taji Dene, Shije. So because all of a sudden it's not your mother, but it's now your dad because he's the father or a male. I hope you understand that a little bit. Did you kind of get the gist of that? Okay. Anybody have any questions on that right now? All right. Now, once you get to, let's say down here, let's say your father was Honagani that you met, let's say two boys. Yeah, Honagani that Bashishin. And the other boy says, To Hanat that if it's Shije on these two, you automatically go right to my brother, younger brother, older brother, depending on which one's older. Okay, so it's kind of working the same way as up here with Nishka. And now it's Pashichin. Let's say the grandparent, let's say your grandparent was your Dana, and the other person says, Bin taught me that should che. First person says, your Dana, your Dana, that should che. So as soon as you say that should che for both of you, you just call each other should che. Okay? Should che. From that day on, your grandfather on your mother's side together. All right. Same with Nale. Let's say you got together and you said, Had ishtan Nale, and had ito needan Nale, and the person says, and let's say two ladies, Totsane dashan Nale, Nesha hadidan Nale. And the other person says, Honagahni. And this one, it doesn't matter if you're man or female. All of a sudden you say, even though the other person is opposite of you. You're a girl and he's a boy. You can just call each other Shanale, and it'll be fine. Because you can have a mother or a female paternal grandmother and a male paternal grandfather. All I'm saying is just calling each other Shanale. Okay. Does anybody have any questions? You got it, right? So you passed off, you got it, and you're doing good. Now you're probably thinking, okay, how should I use this with my family? And one way you can share this with your family is just ask them right then and there these 4 questions. You can say, "Ja, there's your ma," right to your mother. "Had ido ne and she might say, "I are listening this." Oh yeah, shma. Hell is shma. Right? And then go to your father, go to your che on your mother's side, go to your nala on your father's side. And you can ask these questions. Okay, you can ask those questions. And from there, you can learn the kinship terms, kinship terms, shama, shite, shitsile, shinat, shade, all those. Just from clans, you can do that. Okay. Anybody have any thoughts or questions? I'm gonna go ahead and let go of my recording.